So if you ever wanted to rename a field, add a new one, or remove something you don't need in N8N, you don't need a fancy function, node, or a code. You can do it right from the set node. And today I'm going to show you live on the screen as to how you can do that. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh from simplyautomated.com, and on this channel I create videos around AI automation. So if you are someone who wants to learn AI automation or want to learn how to create different workflows, then you need to subscribe to my channel. So the set node is one of the most important building blocks in your automation workflow. It lets you create new fields, rename or update existing fields, and even control what data move forward between the nodes. So there are three main use cases for a set node. You could either add new fields, you can modify the existing fields, or you can keep the fields you only want. So now let's start with each of these use case. The first, I'm going to show you how you can add new fields. So let me just clear this canvas out, and let's start with the trigger manually, and then we can add a set node. In order to add a set node, you can either type set, so you will get this option of edit fields set. So then you will come to this screen. So now let's add a status field and a timestamp. So for that, you need to click on add field, and you can just type in status, and you can give the value as active. And the next field which we want to add is a timestamp. And then we can just type in an expression. So don't worry about it. You can get these expressions from ChatGPT. We are just using it for the demo purpose. So here we got the date. That's the today's date. And then we can just execute the workflow. And we are going to get the two outputs. One is the status, which is active, and the today's date. So this is how you can use set node to add any field within your workflow. Now let's say you need to modify any field with expression. So let's say we have this full name over here. Okay, we'll just enter a name, just type Alice Johnson. We execute it. Let's say we want to split the names. So let's go out of this and let's add another set node here. And then we do it like first name. We want to split the names, right? So we need to just click on expression, and then we need to type this. See, what it has done is we are using a JSON expression, so which is going to split the first name, and let's add the last name. So we'll use the same expression, and here we are going to just change it to 1. So now we are going to get two fields, first name and last name. If we run it, see, we've got Alice Johnson. So from the previous node, we are getting the full name, and using a set node, we can just modify it. So this is just an example which I'm telling you as to how you can use set nodes, what all functionalities are there. So these are the two use cases which I want to tell you. And now I'll also tell you some of the common mistakes which people do while using set nodes. So they make some spelling mistakes. So let's say for this one, let's open this. Let's add date, and we put the value. Okay, see, this is the correct form, but if you make a mistake in entering the expression, then you're going to get this undefined. So that means that there is something wrong somewhere. So you need to take care of that. Make sure that there are no undefineds in your set node. So make sure that you're using the right expression and you're getting the right data from the previous node. So set node is a very powerful way to shape up your data within N8N. And if you use it wisely, you can just create your workflows very easily. You can pass on the data if you've got multiple nodes. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you got some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below and I will personally answer them. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video.